Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to know when a reel was posted on Instagram. So let's get right into it. You can see right now there is a reel going on my screen, and there is no posted history or time under the account's name, as Instagram doesn't allow it. So you will head over to the account that has posted this, and here you can see the just watched reel is marked and tagged, and we will go to its post section. And here you can see the same reel that has been posted as a post, and it is tagged as just seen. Head over to it. You're currently watching it as a post. So if you go down and scroll down, you can see there is a 4 days ago tag under the account name, and that's how you know the reel was posted 4 days ago. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to try it out. We'll see you in the next one.